I'll guide you through how to make money gaming. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, choose a game you genuinely enjoy that also has a large fan base. Popular titles like Valorant, Minecraft, or Genshin Impact are great options. Then, download a screen recording software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs to capture your gameplay. Make sure to record exciting, funny, or impressive moments that viewers would love to watch. Once recorded, edit your footage using tools like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Add music, text, and clean transitions to make your content more engaging. Don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail and title, and use relevant hashtags like #gaming or #FYP to increase reach. Upload your videos to YouTube or TikTok. Use vertical format for shorts under 60 seconds and horizontal for longer videos. Stay consistent with your uploads to grow your subscribers and watch hours. Once you meet the requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning through ads. You can also make money from affiliate links, donations, or live streaming. Start now. Your gaming hobby could become your next income stream.